Hello there. Here, my name is Abdel Salam Fadil, and here I would like to present some of my work for three-dimensional, using CAD three-dimensional, as well as using VBA, which Visual Basic Application. This was project of my master since 2010, University of Potra, Malaysia. So now I will introduce very quick how to use Visual Basic computer programming, and this programming will engage with AutoCAD, how to conduct between these two softwares. As you see here, I will click here to just open blank file. I will load the project, and this will be the Visual Basic. My Visual Basic and was loaded already. So now I will run this macro. When you run, will show up this window. As you see, this name of the university and this name of project, and this designed by me, Abdel Salam Fadil, and this was my advisor, Professor Shamsuddin Sulaiman. And this is the logo of the university. When you hit go in, and this will show you this product. What this product? This product is called Top of Guessing. This one is common game in Malaysia, and they need to fabricate and manufacturing this game for adult and for medium and for child. Everyone has unique size. You can change the dimension. If you want, you can change it just by clicking here and the dimension. Let's hit large for size, and when you hit this bottom, this will disappear, this one, and asking just for any point to click, and very quick, in very few seconds, it's creating this this product. As you see, we still here. So here asking the here showing some property, the volume, center of gravity, moment of inertia, and this mass based on the materials. You can close this one, and you can see this three-dimensional. I will go back and run the macro again, and will show you something more interesting. Well, I will do continue. I just hit this one to show the properties. So now, if you want to manufacturing this one, if you want to create this model, there is two ways. So we'll hit continue. So there is two ways for by CNC machine or STL files with 3D printing. So if you want to do it by CNC machine, this one was designed by using G-code, which use lathe machine or turning machine. When you hit continue, so if you want to create this side, this will show you the code. When you bound this side, and this one for other side, this is code. I just copy this code and plug it in CNC machine. Very quick. I had create this one from aluminum material. Let's show the other way for manufacturing. Okay, I will run the macro again. Okay, continue. Now, if you want to create steel file can be simulated or can be done by 3D print. You can like import it for a steel file, which can be created, or you can save it in place and take it by your flash memory or any other way, and you can print it by 3D printer. So I'm very excited to introduce this job, and I'm thinking to develop this one by using more intelligent software such as Python or Java. Thank you for watching.